Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. Parivrtta, to revolve or twist. Twisting asanas are a very important part of a balanced yoga practice. Twists are extremely beneficial as well. They help to remove toxins from the body. They give a good massage to all the internal organs and they help to release tension around your spine and all the different joints in the body, keeping them supple and healthy. Today we're going to practice a simple flow incorporating twists throughout the practice. So get on your mat and let's get started. We're going to start at the top of the mat, feet together, toes, heels touching each other. Roll your shoulders back, find a nice strong Samasthiti. As you inhale, lift your arms up from the sides, join your palms above the head, lengthen and look up. As you exhale, you're going to fold forward, go all the way down. Take an inhale here, lengthen your spine. As you exhale, start walking your fingertips towards your right side. So we have a forward fold here with a twist. Let's take a few breaths here. You can always use blocks outside of the leg to support. Inhale and slowly walk your fingertips back. Once again, lengthen the spine. Now you're going to step your left foot back, take a long step. Both knees are straight. See if you can get your heels in line with each other. We're going to get into Parivrtta Trikonasana. Here again, if you need a little bit of support to get into the twist, you can always bring in the block. Place the block down. Place your palm on the block. Here my left palm is on the block. On your exhalation, nice twist to your right side. Stay there and breathe. Every exhale, deepen the twist. Every inhale, lengthen your spine. 3, feet are firm. 4, 5. Inhale and slowly bring the fingertips down. You can remove the block here. Following exhale, bend the knee and take your right foot back into plank position. In your plank, you're going to bring your right knee towards the left elbow, incorporating another twist here, lean forward. 3, 2, 1. Slowly stepping the right foot back, come back to plank. Drop the knees gently down, chest, chin down to the mat, lying down flat on the belly. From here, you're going to extend only the right arm out to shoulder level. Left palm stays by the side of the chest like Bhujangasana itself. Lift your left leg up, bend the knee slightly, and you're going to twist here, taking your toes towards the floor as much as you can. Start turning the body towards the ceiling. Stay there and breathe. 1, 2, 3. Gently as you inhale, coming back. Same leg, you're going to shift your hand forward. Again, bend the left knee. This time you're going to take your right palm towards your left ankle. Extend the left hand forward. As you inhale, lift up into Dhanurasana. 1, feet firm. 2, opening up through the chest. Long breaths. And 3, exhale, slowly release. Release the leg. Palms by the sides of the chest again. Tuck the toes. Exhale, go back into downward facing dog. Now, in downward dog, you're going to try to get your right foot outside of the left foot. So your right knee has crossed over the left. Now bend your knees and bring your knees to the floor. From here, we're going to drop the hips to the mat and you'll notice we've transitioned straight away into Gomukhasana. Okay. From there, you're going to place a right foot on the mat, right toes in line with the left knee. Inhale and lift your left arm up. As you exhale, twist to your right side. Turn and look over the right shoulder. Stay here and breathe. 3, Ardha Matsyendrasana. 2 and 1. Inhale, untwist, come back to center. Release the hand. Extend the right leg. Hold on to the outer part of the right foot. Start to stretch the right leg forward. Continue to extend the right arm behind you. Stay there. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Bend the knee, bring it back down. If you want a little bit of challenge here, you're going to extend your left leg also forward. Start extending the right leg, get into the twist and then slowly lean back and see if you can lift your left leg also up. 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring the left leg down, bend the right knee, place the right knee down on the mat. You're going to drop the right knee straight away into Janu Shirshasana, but we're going to do Parivrtta Janu Shirshasana. Inhale and lift your arms up. Exhale, twist towards the right knee. Take another inhale here. Exhale and get into a lateral bend. Opening up through the chest. Breathe. 3, 2. If this is not accessible for you right now, you can always stop here or even just here. But try and maximize the twist and down. 2, 1. Interlock the fingers. Inhale. Come back to the twist. Take an exhale here. Inhale to the center. Exhale and slowly bring your arms down. Stretch your right leg forward. Move a little lower on the mat if you need to. Let's take the arms up. Now as you exhale, start rounding your back. Vertebra by vertebra, start going down towards the floor. Engaging your abdomen. Exhale and let's slowly bring the arms down. If you're comfortable with shoulder stand, we're going to do a very gentle twist in your shoulder stand here. So as you exhale, start to lift the leg up. Get into your Sarvangasana. From Sarvangasana, you are only going to turn the hips to the right side. So watch the hips. 3, 2, 1. Inhale back to center. Exhale, knees towards the forehead. Vertebra by vertebra. Roll down to the floor. Keeping the legs at 90 degrees here. Bend your knees in towards the chest. Open your arms to shoulder level. Take a nice deep inhale. As you exhale, you're going to drop your knees towards the right side. Turn the head to the left side in Jatara Parivartanasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and slowly come back up. Bring your arms down, feet down, feet apart, eyes closed. You're going to take a short Shavasana here. Slow down the breath. Give your body some time to recover. And then we're going to come back up to standing and repeat the flow to your left side. As you can see, there are a lot of interesting ways in which you can incorporate twists in your asana practice, and these twists become truly beneficial only when done with the right breath. Twists enhance your exhalation, so find a strong Ujjayi breathing and practice long, smooth exhalation as you practice these beautiful Parivrtta postures. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.